In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find strong keyword ideas using Ubersuggest. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, you'll see the main search area where you can begin your research. This tool is designed to help you discover keyword opportunities, so if you're planning content, improving SEO, or looking for better marketing phrases, this is a useful place to start. In the main query search bar, type in any potential seed marketing phrase related to your topic. A seed phrase is simply a basic idea or starting keyword that describes what you want to rank for or target. Keep it relevant to your niche, product, service, or content theme. The more aligned it is with your goal, the more useful the suggestions will be. Try to use a phrase that reflects what your audience might actually search for rather than something overly broad or vague. Next, select your preferred localized geographical market from the drop-down filter box. This step is important because keyword behavior can vary a lot depending on the country or region you're targeting. A phrase that performs well in one market may have completely different search demand in another. By choosing the right location, you make sure the results are more accurate and more valuable for your specific audience. After that, click Search to populate the keyword database and bring up the available metrics. Give the tool a moment to load the results. Once the data appears, you'll be able to start reviewing keyword opportunities based on real search behavior. This is where the research becomes much more practical because you're no longer guessing which phrases might work. Now move to the Keyword Ideas tab and begin evaluating the keyword variations shown there. Focus on phrases with high search frequency numbers, since those can indicate stronger audience interest and greater potential traffic. As you review the list, look for options that are closely related to your original topic and make sense for your goals. It's helpful to pay attention to wording variations, because sometimes a small change in phrasing can uncover a much better opportunity. Take your time here and compare the available suggestions carefully. The goal is to identify phrases that are both relevant and popular, so you can lock in keyword targets with stronger potential. Once you've found promising options, you'll have a clearer direction for creating content, optimizing pages, or planning future campaigns. That's the basic process for using Ubersuggest to generate keyword ideas effectively.